Begin your morning meditation by sitting comfortably with your spine straight. Gently close your eyes and place your hands on your lap, palms facing upwards. Let your breath become slow and deep, feeling the freshness of each breath as it flows through your nose and lungs, bringing the newness of the day. Take a moment to feel deep gratitude for your presence in this moment, a precious moment where you are alive, breathing, and experiencing life. With each inhale, imagine the air starting from the bottom of your belly, rising up through your chest and throat. When your breath reaches the top, hold it for a moment, feeling the energy building up, preparing you for the day ahead. Then exhale gently, allowing your body to relax and release any tension. Continue breathing naturally, feeling the peace surrounding you. Welcome all the positive and loving energy from the universe into your space. Embrace the guidance and support from the highest and most loving forces around you. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center, located in the middle of your chest, not on the surface, but a few inches inward. Feel the energy there and connect with your heart. Focus all your attention here, where your life's purpose and motivation reside. In this moment, set an intention for your day. This intention is not something you hope to achieve, but something you feel has already happened, a reality that exists within your heart. Feel this intention as though it has already manifested and is alive within you. As you hold this intention in your heart, you'll sense a powerful shift. This intention not only sets a goal for today, but helps you live a purposeful life. Allow yourself to imagine your deepest dreams and desires as if they have already come true, living as memories in your heart. What brings you the most joy in life? What service do you wish to contribute to the world to feel that your life has meaning? See yourself living with passion and fulfillment. As these emotions fill your heart, imagine before you an image of something you are ready to let go of. It could be an old belief, a negative emotion, or anything that no longer serves you. See it clearly, and with all the love in your heart, declare that you are ready to release it. Watch as it slowly begins to disappear before your eyes, effortlessly fading away as you recognize that the love in your heart is stronger than any attachment to what no longer serves you. Feel the release and let gratitude fill your body for letting go of what no longer serves you. Allow your focus to remain on love and positive intentions rather than the things you used to hold on to. Continue to focus on your heart, allowing gratitude to grow and spread throughout your body. Feel thankful not only for this moment, but for all the good things happening in your life. Bring your palms together in a prayer position in front of your heart. Say thank you, either out loud or in your mind, for all the blessings coming your way. Thank the universe for the intention you've set for today and for the support you're receiving. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the world around you. Know that you've created a meaningful morning for yourself with a clear intention and a heart full of love. Wishing you a beautiful, energized day